Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Breach on Lotus. First, understand Breach's role as an initiator, focusing on disrupting enemy positions and clearing angles. Your abilities are designed to go through walls, making you incredibly effective on a map with many choke points and cover. Always communicate with your team to maximize the impact of your flashes and concussions, setting up easy eliminations for your duelists. Timing is key for successful executes. When attacking, Breach excels at breaking defensive setups. Before entering a site, use Flashpoint through walls to blind enemies holding angles, giving your team a significant advantage. Follow up with Aftershock to clear common hiding spots or destroy enemy utility like Cypher's cages or Killjoy's nanoswarms. Deploy Fault Line to push defenders out of cover, making them vulnerable. Your ultimate, Rolling Thunder, is perfect for initiating a site push, concussing, and knocking up multiple enemies. On defense, Breach is excellent for holding sites and initiating retakes. Use Fault Line early in rounds to deter aggressive pushes or to gain information on enemy positions without exposing yourself. When attackers commit, deploy Flashpoint through walls to blind them as they enter the site, giving your teammates an easy pick. Aftershock is powerful for denying spike plants or clearing out post-plant positions from safety. Consider saving your ultimate, Rolling Thunder, for a decisive retake, turning the tide of a round. For advanced play, master the common wallbang spots on Lotus. Knowing where to use Aftershock and Flashpoint through walls is crucial. Combine your Fault Line with other agent abilities, such as a Raise Grenade, to guarantee eliminations on concussed enemies. Your ultimate, Rolling Thunder, is a fantastic setup tool. Use it to concuss and knock up multiple enemies, allowing your duelists to secure easy multi-kills. Always practice your ability timing with your teams, pushes for seamless execution, and maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.